Hi guys, this is me Najib and welcome back to my channel Round Round Koi. In this video, I would like to share my experience to fly with Malaysia Airlines, the flag carrier of Malaysia. My flight departs from Jakarta to Kuala International Airport at Terminal 3 Ultimate to KLIA in early morning. Hai, sekarang saya sedang berada di Bandara Internasional Soekarno-Hatta, tepatnya di Terminal 3 Ultimate, dan saat ini saya sedang menunggu untuk check-in. Untuk penerbangan saya menggunakan Malaysia Airlines tujuan ke Medan, transit Kuala Lumpur. Nah, kita akan tahu nih gimana sih pelayanan Malaysia Airlines kalau jarak tempuhnya itu sekitar 2 jam. Ini dari Jakarta ke Kuala Lumpurnya. Dan saya sengaja pilih penerbangannya di subuh, tepatnya di jam 4.25 saya berangkat dari Jakarta dan tiba di Kuala Lumpur itu jam setengah 8 pagi. The flight between Jakarta and Kuala Lumpur will take almost 2 hours long flight. And for the short flight, Malaysia Airlines used Boeing 737-800 with serial number of 9ML8 and the aircraft age 8 years old. The atmosphere of Terminal 3 Ultimate Soekarno-Hatta International Airport is quiet enough in early morning. The boarding time is scheduled at 4 AM, but in fact, it's a little bit late. In this aircraft, there are only 2 class configurations, business class and economy class. In business class cabin, 16 seats available with a seat configuration of 2-2, while in economy class has a seat configuration of 3-3. And fortunately, I sit on the window seat that gives the privilege to see the outside of the window. So now, let's take a look at the seat feature. Every economy class passenger is given the headphone, and the seat is average like other economy seat mostly, but the legroom is quite spacious. In the seat pocket, the reading materials are also available, like the in-flight magazine of going places, the duty-free shop magazine, and the safety instruction book. In this flight, most of its passengers are the Umrah pilgrims that will go to Mecca in Saudi Arabia. Like other Malaysia Airlines flights of mine, the facilities of in-flight entertainment is average with touchscreen monitor, the remote, the headphone, completed with USB port. The usage of remote on selecting channel is easier than the touchscreen. And as usual, the touchscreen is not responsive, that makes me hard to select the channel options of entertainment. However, the collection of movies, TV shows, and music is complete enough with the latest ones. And now, it's time to push back for taxiing. The safety video of Malaysia Airlines is one of my favorites, featuring the flight attendant Farah Yasmin, who is also in my previous video of Malaysia Airlines business class experience. And now it's time to take off when the sky is still dark. There are only 2 in-flight meal options, nasi lemak and mie goreng. However, nasi lemak is lost when it comes to my turn, and the one and only option is mie goreng, completed with fruits, buns, butter, nuts, cake, and mineral water. And of course, for the in-flight drink, I choose orange juice. The mee goreng is in good portion and tasty enough. Wow, fortunately I can see the beautiful sunrise that welcomes me to Malaysia. Thank you Malaysia Airlines for the great flight experience, and of course thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to always support my channel by hitting the subscribe and activate the bell button to get the notifications when I updated the new videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.